Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get your landing page to actually convert. A lot of you guys watching this videos are business owners or someone who wants to build an online audience, have a database of customers and people are interested in whatever product or service that you are offering. But you are building all these pages and you're just wondering or maybe struggling with having your page to actually convert either by generating leads or by selling products. So this is something that I've seen all over the place, and I'm going to give you 3 ways through which you can improve your conversion. So your landing page either for lead generation or for sales. Now let's get right into it. The first one is to lead with the right benefits. You probably heard this before. Lead with benefits, lead with benefits, lead with benefits, but you want to lead with the right benefits, and that is by communicating what you want to offer to people in the end, what you're trying to help them achieve, which is very pertinent to the business growth. For example, let's consider this: how to generate 100 leads for your business, or how to triple your sales within the next 6 weeks. Now, these 2 things are aiming to achieve the same thing. How to generate 100 leads means that you generate more leads, you make more sales, you make more money, right? But consider this: how to triple your sales in the next 6 weeks. Now, the first is saying you can generate 100 leads, but in what time frame? How soon am I going to be able to generate these leads? But the second one is telling you exactly when you should be doing that, or when you can expect to do that. Triple your sales within the next 6 weeks. Again, the first one is telling you that you want to generate leads, right? Of course, there's still one added step there. Once you start generating those leads, what you want to achieve right now is to start generating sales with those leads. Now, the second one is telling you what you aim to gain at the end of it all, which is to generate sales, which is to triple or quadruple or 10x your sales, and they are giving that to you up front. So the only difference here is the way through which you word your offer. You can say you want to help someone generate leads, or you can say you want to help them triple, quadruple, or 10x their sales. But I'm sure that the second one is going to perform much better. Now let's talk about the next one, which is to lead with one offer. A lot of people who are trying to build business online think you have to, have multiple offers going on. Of course, you can have multiple offers, but that only comes in once you have perfected one offer, once you know exactly what you're helping people achieve, what products is going to serve your audience. Then you can start adding different layers of offers. You can start putting some add-ons to what you're currently offering in order to, improve your average customer value or the average lifetime value. So you want to lead with one offer. A good example is something I've been testing for the last couple of weeks. In my previous videos, I always link to different stuff, telling people, go here, go there. But I realized that once I start doubling down on one aspect of my content, which is to help people, increase their landing page conversions, build their funnels and fix their funnels and upgrade their funnel strategy, then I started seeing more leads come in actually than pointing people to different places or different offers that I have going on. So if you have an online business, you want to be as specific as possible, especially when you're just starting out. That is going to take a lot of stress off of you, because you can perfect one thing and you can repeat that one thing over and over again. I've worked with business owners who only focus on just one thing, one offer, one platform, one funnel, and that has taken them to multiple 6 figures and some even 7 figures over a short period of time. Now let's talk about the last one, which is to keep things stupid simple. I call this the KEYS method. A lot of people that I work with, they think they need so many complexities or so many layers to their funnel. But the trick to achieving success fast online is to keep things as simple as possible. When you're just starting out, you don't have the capacity or even the knowledge to execute on so many fronts. The people who execute on so many fronts or who have success doing so many things at one time have been doing it for so long. So they know their processes, they know exactly what the clients want, they know exactly what the audience wants, and they know exactly what the capacity is on how to deliver on those things. So you want to keep it simple. You don't want to have complex funnels. You can start by investing in a simple tool and use that and scale up as you grow. A great example of what I always talk about here is by investing in a platform like System.io rather than investing in a platform like ClickFunnels. Of course, ClickFunnels is fun. Of course, they have all of these fancy things going on. The founder is a great guy in Russell Brunson, but you realize that one, ClickFunnels is expensive and there's so many layers to what ClickFunnels offers. Of course, at some point, your business is going to outgrow what you use right now, but thinking that by investing in the more expensive funnel is going to improve improve your business somehow is not the right way to think about it. So you don't need a lot of things. Just start with what you have right now, with the simple tools and systems that you have, and just go from there. You'll be surprised that with even less complexity, your business is positioned to grow even bigger. So how can you work with me? If you are struggling with building your funnels, how to strategize properly to get your funnel to convert, or maybe you just want to upgrade your existing funnel, reach out to me at daniel@growwithsystem.com, or you can just leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to respond to you and to help you out. Also, check out the link in the description if you want to download my iConvert landing page checklist. It's in the description as well. Go check it out and let me know what you think. Again, my name is Daniel and I will talk to you in the next video.